We are so excited to have the Halo BBL device. With this single device, with this single machine, I'm able to go from an entire spectrum of very intense resurfacing, which treats fine lines, to very, very powerful treatment of sun damage. Think treatment of reds and browns. So anywhere in between, any level of severity, I have the absolute finest tool at my disposal to solve problems for my patients. The other thing that makes this device so powerful and exciting is the versatility that we have with different skin types. This particular technology can treat all types of skin, from very light to very dark. For example, it may not seem that Asian skin would be particularly challenging, but it is actually one of the most challenging skin types. And the Halo BBL device can treat Asian skin and even beyond to even darker, more challenging skin. And the time frame within which we'll see the results is that there's going to be an initial wow within about 7 days, but then an even more powerful transformation that will happen when the collagen deposition occurs within about 6 to 8 weeks after the treatment. One of the questions I get asked the most is, do any of these treatments hurt? And while there are a number of things that we do to improve the comfort of the treatment, such as using cooling and also using some topical numbing solutions, patients are delighted to learn that kind of the most surprising thing of any of this technology is just the bright light that's being used. It's not physically painful. The bright light fills the room, but is highly tolerable, and patients walk away, I think, very pleasantly surprised that any worry that they had was probably energy wasted. It's a very, very comfortable treatment. There's another aspect of the BBL technology that is actually extremely exciting, and that's that after the corrective series, where you get all of the really dramatic improvements, one can then do a maintenance series that's called the BBL Forever Young technique. And that is a very, very light treatment that is done every 3 to 6 months. And there's something very powerful about continued treatments of intense pulsed light that the BBL provides. There's a Stanford study that's exciting that has actually demonstrated that the skin that is treated in this way with continuing light doses of intense pulsed light can actually rejuvenate the skin on a DNA level and get the cells to produce proteins like skin that is 8 to 10 years younger. And there's nothing else that I know of that can achieve anything like that. So that's a very, very powerful tool. And I'm on the Forever Young technology, and my wife is, and we're going to be on it probably for the rest of our lives.